starting off with a stack today. We've got 2 restaurants, 2 customers. You've got Mr. Maple Donuts and Taco Bell. $14 going about 7 miles. Luckily, I'm going to the donut place first because Taco Bell at this hour, kind of iffy. What's the difference between premium and fancy donuts?
Premium are basically the bigger ones.
Oh, okay.
And the fancy ones are just fancy donuts.
Gotcha. Okay.
Yeah, and we're good to go.
Good? All right.
Yeah,
thank you.
Hey, are you checking in with your app to earn rewards points?
Hi, it's
Hello.
coming. He's making it for you right now.
Okay.
Oh, is the donut shop open already?
Yeah.
Awesome. Hey.
There is 16 items in this? What? Oh, 8 of them are hot sauce. But still, that's kind of a lot of stuff. This might be a bit of a wait. Thank you. There you are.
Thanks a bunch.
Have a good day.
Have a good one.
Thank you. And then they go and make me wait like 20 minutes for the next order. But we're heading to McDonald's for this one. This one is $7 going 4 miles. It says, please do not knock. Baby sleeping and dog will bark. Babies will cry and I will cry. Next up, we've got a stack going to the same person. We've got Gravity Coffee and McDonald's. $9 going just under 6 miles. Thank you.
Yeah, have a nice day.
You too. Hello. Yes. Just got the next order. We've got a shop and deliver for Safeway. This one is $16 going 3 miles, like 12 items.
Guest assistance at the premium liquor cabinet.
Two of these. Got the next order lined up right after this. It is for Walgreens. I think it's just a pickup because I didn't see any items. So I'm not sure if I have to shop for it. But it's $7 going 4 miles. Got the next order right away. This is a shop and deliver for Safeway. I think this one is alcohol. $10 going 4 miles, only 1 item. Just the backside for me real quick. There you are. You have a good one.
Hey, you too.
Thank you. Finally got the next order after waiting like 20 minutes. This is a 7-Eleven, $5 going less than a mile.
Welcome in. All right, sweetheart. Are you here for
Corey?
Corey?
Yeah.
Here you go, Donna. Oh, down this brownie. Don't
Thank you.
All right. Have a great day.
You too. Next up, we've got 2 shop and delivers for 2 different people. This is Target, $16 going 4 miles, 8 items. That took a little bit longer than I wanted it to, mostly because one of the orders, both the items were like not in the app correctly, so I had to manually do that. But it looks like both customers are having birthday parties, I think. Got the next order lined up right after this. It is another shop and deliver for Safeway. $13 going 6 miles, 6 items. Chunky. Yuck.
Placing them can at now.
Got the next order lined up right after this. It is, I didn't see the Ghost Kitchen name, but it's the Ghost Kitchen place. This one's $8 going 1 mile. Thank you. Hello, can I get a name?
Casey.
Casey, there you are.
Thank you so much.
Have a good day.
You too.
Thank you. It is such a beautiful day out today. I think I'm gonna call it here and enjoy it. Current time is 10:12. Current total, we are at 84, and we're waiting on a bunch of Uber tips. Like pretty much all of today was Uber, so I'll put up the total once they all come in. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.